Welcome to Casa Palma. I'm Ryan Jaleh, and welcome to our beautiful property tour. You walk through the lobby of this hotel and you're greeted by the main pool, and it's like everything all opens up. Because of the way that this property was designed, it was designed to be very private. And when you walk in, to kind of just open up like a blooming flower as you walk through those doors. The main pool is absolutely spectacular. You're greeted with these epic mountain views. You have these grassy lawns, these lion fountains, these pops of bougainvillea. There's not one person that walks through those doors and isn't usually blown away by the beauty of this main pool. Casa Palma is a 33-room boutique hotel. We have 33 rooms across 2 structures. We have a 2-story tower structure that we call it, with 22 king-size studio rooms. In those rooms, we have large bathrooms, newly appointed tiled and glassed showers, high-end toiletries. Some of them have lovely little balconies and little pop-outs. Some of them have beautiful pool views, some have beautiful mountain views. So it's a really lovely experience, having the room off of the pools with those lovely views in the background. We also have our 11 rooms over in our bungalows. We call the bungalow rooms. That's a single-story structure around a beautiful courtyard with a beautiful flowing fountain. They're all different types. So we have standard kings, standard queens. We also have a couple of rooms that are double queens to accommodate, bigger, larger groups. And then we have these ultra premium, basically bungalow grand kings, vaulted ceilings, bigger spaces. The balconies actually connect through from the courtyard through to the main activity pool. Basically a 360 view of the entire property from those rooms. One of the things that was really important to us out here was to find something that was family friendly, because my wife and I come out here all the time and love these properties, but we found that most of our favorite hotels we couldn't enjoy with our family. We couldn't bring our kids, and so that's one of the things that we wanted to be sure to offer and bring to the market with this property. One thing that we thought was really special about the property was the fact that the main pool had a water volleyball net on it, and it had been there for decades. Someone asked me, "Are you taking the water volleyball net down?" I said, "Absolutely not. This is just something that's so cool. It's part of the character of the property." And by the way, if you've ever played water volleyball, you'll never forget. You know exactly where you were and when you were playing, and it's just something that is so fun. And it's something that was very important for us, just recognizing all the opportunities for activation and activity. I feel like we are kind of on the cusp of a shift where we're seeing a lot of this luxury athleisure space, where you have these like luxury gyms and everything. We felt that this really hit that niche where you have folks, they want a vacation, they want beautiful spaces, but they also want activities. They want to be engaged with their bodies and their minds. They want to be meeting other people. We have a tennis court and pickleball courts on the property. So that just offers this amazing ability for guests to come and play pickleball with these epic mountain views in the background. It's truly amazing amenity that we're lucky to have. Very few boutique hotels in this market can offer that to their guests. Tons of small, great little fun amenities as well. We have a game room that has all the lawn games and other games that you might be interested in, from badminton to spike ball to cornhole and everything in between. We have a gym, we have billiards, we have bikes. We're just adjacent to the movie colony neighborhood, and you can just go right down the street, Mira Leste. You would be perfectly comfortable riding your bike with your family down that street. Within a mile, you're smack dab in the middle of downtown Palm Springs. Great bikeability, great walkability. In addition to our main activity pool, we also have what we call our quiet pool. That is a very relaxing, beautiful, kind of scenic environment. We have a little bit more relaxing, kind of calming music at the spa. And this is really a place where people can kind of just go decompress, read a book, and feel like they are completely escaping from the rest of the world. So we feel like, for how small this place actually is, for being a true independent boutique hotel, because of the amenities, because of the layout and the design, we're really able to be something for everybody. Our reviews have been incredible, and they've even, kind of taken us by surprise. But the vast majority of these reviews, they are calling out the staff. They're highlighting the staff by name. It was very important for us to keep on the existing staff that had been in place. In some cases, some folks have been here for over 18 years, and that's just kind of unheard of. The fact that they've been here so long and want to stay on is a testament to how unique this place really is and just the shared vision of what we all believe it can be. Chiquita, our restaurant and bar, is open to the public, an incredible place where we have these indoor-outdoor pavilions, beautiful bar, everything overlooking the pool. Just a really beautiful place where you can come and have a meal, sit under the stars, or gaze at the mountains in the pool area while enjoying really great food items that our chef has prepared. The concept behind Chiquita is Mediterranean-influenced American bistro. We have all of the hits that people are accustomed to seeing, but we're gonna have a simple, healthy, delicious menu. Just as an example, one of our keystone menu items for our breakfast is banana pancakes. Healthy, delicious, but still gives you like that, they're pancakes, right? But they're a little bit healthier, they're a little bit tastier, a little bit sweeter. And that's what we think. We can give you more taste, more indulgence, and leave you feeling the restaurant better than when you came. And we have a great smoothie program, great craft cocktail program. While you're here, you gotta make sure you try our pina colada. At Casa Palma, we have all these amazing amenities. And what's great is that, we're not just in the middle of the desert somewhere. We are walkable to amazing restaurants and bars, walkable to downtown Palm Springs. Our property itself is amazing, and then our location within the property is fantastic as well. Thanks so much for checking out our tour of Casa Palma. We hope to see you here soon.